Hi, my name is Claire and I'm in cohort 2. My group and I are going to be doing our technology video, and I'm going to present our first piece of technology, and I chose to do Kahoot. And Kahoot is a fun learning-based game. It's free and it's really fun for kids to review and quiz. I wouldn't recommend doing it as a test grade or anything, but maybe as daily grade, quiz grade. I know a lot of us use it to review for tests and stuff. The best thing about Kahoot though is that you don't have to have an account or an app. You just have it easily accessible on your internet from whatever form of technology you've opened to you. And so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how to use it through a virtual game. And so I went ahead previously and made a quiz earlier so I could demonstrate. And so we're going to go ahead and click quiz. And we're going to choose our classic form. And then it'll give you, when you go and log in, it'll give you your Kahoot pin. And so kids, you'll tell them on your technology to cohort.it, and they'll enter their game pin right here. And our game is 5604331, and then I'll enter. And then you'll put a nickname in, and then your nickname will come up on the screen wherever your quiz is going to be done from. Now I'll go ahead and press start. And then it says, are you ready? And then it says, what kind of animal is shown? And then it'll be, you'll pick whatever shape matches with the answer, and that's panda. And then that's correct. And we'll just do a couple more examples. And then, so the best thing about Kahoot is the kids get to make their own usernames. So with their own usernames, they can make any name they want. If they don't really feel like they're known, they know the material that well, they can make an anonymous name. You don't know who it is, but after every question, it'll come up with a scoreboard. And it's nice to have some healthy competition, but for kids who really aren't comfortable with that, they don't have to share their name. They don't have to show anyone who they are, but it'll just keep track of, it's a fun competition for kids to have. But you can also go back in and see who was who if you really want to check on their progress. So then we'll go to the next question, which is, this is just a fun game about animals. And then, so we would pick again the one that matches, so the cub with the orange. Next. And then basically you just keep going through until you're done, and at the end there's usually a winner, and that's about it. And I hope you enjoy it.
Hi, I'm Lindsay, and the technology I chose is CoolMath. CoolMath is a website that is free and super easy to access on any computer. CoolMath, what it does is just like a math website for you to just go over some math lessons. If you don't know what you're understanding in your math class, it can give you any math lesson for any math that you need. So say you need help in pre-algebra, you just click pre-algebra, and it gives you different things that you can go into. So say you are learning percentage and you don't know what that is, you can click on it, and it gives you other questions to go more into detail. So click on any one that you need, and it will take you step by step on how to do your homework, assignment, test, whatever you need help on. It also offers a bunch of math games. That way you can go more into detail on what you're learning, and you can have a fun way to learn and understand what you are learning. And that's about it. Thank you.
My name is Stephanie Reyes, and the app that I wanted to do today is called Remind 101. So it's a free text service that most teachers use nowadays. So right here, those are just a few that I created for examples. But if I actually want to go and create a class of my own and call it, I don't know, Chess Club, and I want to add somebody right here, you can either show people how to join, which is what most instructors do, or you can share a link, like you can email it or post it to somebody, or just add somebody directly, so somebody who wasn't in class that day. So if I actually want to show a class how to join, I'll go over here and I'll show them this number. So that's the number that they'll text in order to get in. And in order to get into the specific one that I want them to be in, they just send that message right there. So to the ones that I already created over here, like English class, I already sent a couple messages like welcome to English class, and I just resent it again. And then here, you can do a class announcement, like something big, like a quiz is coming up, or you just want to talk to a specific group or just an individual. So what the good thing about this is that it's just a one-way streak, so they can't text you back, which is pretty good because I know most of us don't really want to talk to parents face-to-face, or it's just a couple things that don't really need that face-to-face communication. It's just something quick. And it's also very positive. It's not something that you have to kind of beat around the bush for. So, and most everybody can use it, which is pretty cool that it's so universal. It's not just for teachers. You can use it for groups, or you can use it for, your office or something like that. So that's it.
And today I'm going to introduce an app like vocabulary spelling city for you. And all you have to do is you can went on for a trial first and then decide whether you want to pay for it. And now I was going to this website as a teacher, and now I can create a list, and you can tap your name and the words you want for the assignment to your students. Like I type 3 words and can save it, and also it will provide you the pronunciation and part of speech as well as the example sentences for you, and you can save it. And now the most important part is you can choose several games for your students to do it. So that would be most attractive thing for children to do it, finish it. And like this, I can show you one, like you can play with a game. Okay, let's start. You can choose the letter according to what you hear, like the wow. Yeah. And also you can get your instant feedback so that you can learn from what you did and from your errors. And also as teachers, you can get the record of student score from it, because it will provide you with a report. And also, if you are parents, you can still use it. You can do those games with your children, and that would be a excellent interactive things within your household. So yeah, I mean that is super useful whether you are kids, your parents, or your teachers. Yeah, thank you. That's all.